is who is going to do what. I want to believe that we have resolved the issue of who is doing what. Because if we have not resolved it, we are still going to have this meeting again. And I can remember we have had this meeting with this honorable district. This will be like the 5th or 6th time that we are having this type of presentation. Although for us, we are not tired. We will always be happy if the platform is being assessed. But we also need to get it right that who is going to be updating after this training. So with that, because everybody cannot do it. So maybe I want to leave the floor open. Who is going to do what on this platform so that at least we know that at least there's somebody that will be doing the update afterward.
Okay, so with respect to that, we'll actually need to know what are the roles, as in the updates and all that is required, so that we can assign the responsibility appropriately. Because there are different teams. We have a team in charge of finance. We have another team in charge of secretariat. We have another team in charge of posting, updating the information. And so we need to know the roles that we need to set up. That will guide us as to appropriate assigning roles to individuals in our districts or within the committees.
All right, man. All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much, man. Okay. So,
apologies if I may keep in. That role of finance and everything, there's some role that initially we've allocated that almost 5 schools are taking care of this. So that's approving payment or approving members to join. It's not what we are going to allocate here. Approving members to join has always been the general secretary or membership, and finance is Tochiku, because to do the receipt, even though I'm the one that have been doing this, and like I said, I just did one 15 minutes ago. So, but the major here is the back end where we get to upload our journal. Like, okay, now we're going to start a journal. We upload journal, we upload pictures, we upload documents to the main what they call it, that's the front page. But when it comes to membership management, that is finance and something, we are not going to allocate it to website committee. That is ESCO's function, and that has been done already. Thank you.
Okay.
My question is, it should just let us know all the roles that we need, all the personnel we need. Then we will now identify from those ones we need, the ones that have been assigned and the ones that are pending, so that we will know whether we have adequate personnel or not. And the decision can now be taken appropriately, holistically, so that it will not be that, okay, we are just handling only one aspect of the work and then we are leaving the other one pending. So it would be nice to know, okay, we need like 5 different people to take on this responsibility, this as in various responsibility. Even if one person will take 3, let us even know from the website how many personnel do we need, or how many roles do we need to have someone that would actually take care of, so that we will now know how to allocate it appropriately or review the allocation that has been done and confirm that we are doing the right thing. That's my point.
All right.
Thank you.
I get that very well, sir. I get that very well. And I also got the other point too. Thank you very much for this. I was actually the one that started this. That we need to also know who is going to do what. Because when we leave some of these things open, that everybody will do it, it means nobody will do it. Now, as regards the rule, what are the things that we needed to do? Now, for ICANN, Lekki and District Society, we have the website of the districts, in which I'm going to want to launch right now. So this is a website of the district, and it's sitting on icanlekki.districtsociety.org.ng. And you can see the picture of the chairman, Mr. Pratik Aseshe Aliu Akamiogo, FCA. And we've done some level of updates on this site shared by my chairman on this call. And also on this platform, we've also tried to update the school information on the Icon Lekki district. Now, all of these things that I'm mentioning are something that is actually supposed to be done by the district air school. And why? Because we were made to know that every year there's always a change of pattern for the district leadership. So that is for the websites. That is 1. 2. Also, we also have the administrative backend of the websites. Now, the administrative backend is a portal of the website. Now, for every member in ICANN Lekki and District Society, every member have their username and password where they log into their dashboard. Now, whatever that is happening on the dashboard, at the back end, there is also an admin that is controlling the affair of whatever that is happening. Now, one of the things that happens at the back end that will surface on the dashboard of the member is when you do your members monthly forum. And just like the same thing we used to market to everybody. When you do your membership forum, we are advising that stop uploading paper or sending paper to your WhatsApp. Try and upload the paper through the admin. And then once the paper is uploaded, just like what you are seeing right now on my screen, your members will see it in their respective dashboard, just like the way you log into ICANN platform and you are seeing all that documents in your profile. Now, what that will do for us is that it will make your member to visit their personal ICANN Lekki district dashboard. Now, when they visit this dashboard, the first thing they will see is they will see that they are actually, for those that are owing subscription for the district, the first thing they will see is that they are actually owing subscription for that district. For any reasonable person, once they see it, the next thing is to pay. Just like this person now that I'm sharing now, this person is not owing the district. So now also the third row that I also want to mention here is for every of our member that pays subscription, there are 2 ways in which payment of subscription can be made on this platform. One by Paystack, and the second option by Paystack, one by online via Paystack. And the second option is payment via bank transfer, which is manual. If a member should pay through Paystack, automatically they get service automatically. Now, but we now need human intervention for any member that pays through bank deposit, that is paying directly to your bank. That one is not linked. That one cannot be linked. Now, in that case, we now need an administrative person that will now check from the statement of the district and now come to the back end and now approve. That is the third row. Now, the fourth row now talks about new members that are now coming in. We saddle with the responsibility of a new member that is coming in, and that would approve the new member that is coming in after having checked from the statement that that person has actually paid. So that there are now 4 rows that are now earmarked for both the website and the portal. Now, I remember when we had this meeting, this conversation, we were able to conclude, at least to assign some people, some roles to some people, in which I can see Mr. Abiodun Adams, Mr. Toshuku Asogwa, Oladipo Ajayi, Adeyemi Adediran, Olufunmilayo, that's the immediate past chairman. So all of these people you're seeing here are having administrative rights right now on the system. So, but this right that you are saying there is only assigned to the portal. So roles for websites is different. And that's exactly what we're going to do this evening. I want to show you how you can actually edit content on a website, and it's very easy. So all the roles we're seeing here are the roles assigned for the portal. And when I say portal, it talks about subscription, it talks about uploading of the document, and also talks about new member that also talks about demand notice. Now, let me quickly run through the payment history on this system. Now, let me see who and who has been approving. Okay, you can see on the 23rd of, today, Mr. Oladipo just mentioned it here, that he approved one person. You can see his stamp here, Oladipo. So for my Oga to have approved this person, I am sure that he will have checked through the statement of the district before, because this person actually paid through bank deposit. Okay, let me show that another person. So there's no other person here aside Oga Oladipo that has been doing approval, which is fine. So if you want to expand it, we can expand it. So I hope I have answered your question, man, about the different tasks that we need to fill up with role.
Yes, you have. Thank you.
Thank you very much, man. Okay, so but for the purpose of this presentation on this night, at least I'm happy that I'm seeing a lot of approval that is done at the back end by Oga Oladipo. So it is fine. We need to encourage our members so that it will reduce your workload at the back end. Let's encourage them to also be paying through Paystack, which is sitting on our platform. So that it will reduce, once payment is made through Paystack, it gives service automatically. Then I also want to implore us that let's, just like the way Oga Oladipo is now approving this payment now, let's also try to use the feature of this download so that we have something to invite our members to their respective and individual dashboard. Then I also want to confirm that the payment for the district, the payment for district fee is still very correct as per what you're seeing on the screen. New member fee for FCA and ACA is 35,000. Subscription for ACA and FCA is still 10,000. I just want to believe that it is still very correct. And our account balance is still payment to First Bank. And the Paystack is also reporting to First Bank. I still want to believe that so that if it has changed, you can easily change right on the screen now. Okay, yes. So thank you very much.
Sorry, a quick one. Sorry, sir. I think our district references for, there's another account. PC Dupo, can you confirm that we have the Stanbic IBTC? Yeah, I think this is moving. So is it so, sir? If you want to change the account number now, is it possible to do that?
Yes,
so that we can leverage on the fact that you are with us.
Yes, we can change. If you want us to change it now, this is just I will just delete all this and change it, and automatically get changed.
Okay. So while we are going, as this thing is going on, this training is going on, I'll confirm before the meeting ends. If there's a need to change it, I will quickly reach out to our chairman and some of the ESCO members to confirm if we really need to change, because my understanding is that we are moving from First Bank to Stanbic IBTC. Dipo, right?
We have Stanbic IBTC. We have Stanbic IBTC, but like you rightly said, we want to use it for projects. We are using for projects. I think we want to still continue to use Stanbic, this First Bank, to collect our
First Bank.
But the question is, can we include Stanbic in this? If we can put Stanbic in this and make it like, okay, maybe for projects, donation, and all those stuff, it would be nice. But I think there is a resolution that we'll continue to use this bank to collect our dues. Why Stanbic could be used for project and other operations and all stuff like that. I think that's it.
Okay, so sir, that means our question now is it possible to include the other accounts? That would now be that okay, when somebody wants to make payment, if it is payment for district dues, all these dues, it will be to First Bank. But if there's another type of payment like the project and maybe donation or something, they have the option of using the other accounts. Is it possible to tie two accounts to our website?
It's possible. So what I can do at this point is I'll just add, when we are ready, you give me account details. Then we'll say this one, subscription. I'll just say for subscription payment, that is whatever we're typing here is what they'll be seeing when they initiate the payments. Then I can then come here and I can come here to say for project and what? And donation. Right?
Project and donations, yes.
Donations, then what's the account number?
Let me go for the Stanbic IBTC. 1 minute, please.
And district society. Let me add society this one. Okay, so Stanbic, right?
Yes, we are using Stanbic.
Stanbic. So what I'm doing here is something that can also be done by the admin. So you can see that I'm doing it right in the admin interface.
Okay.
Exactly. So account number.
Sorry, still on it though. However, before you proceed, I'm still looking for the Stanbic. So because the judge that owns that, we use it in our letters. Okay. Yeah, our Stanbic 006
006
85
85
00
00
213.
213.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So what we're doing now is to update so I click on submit. So at any point in time, when your member wants to pay, okay, let's quickly run through it. Let's see. Let me go run through it as this. So I've gone to that member, to that member as a sample. So you can see the two accounts.
Okay.
Is it fine this way?
Hey, under that payment, what of this other payment? What's
okay.
Other payment?
Okay.
What can we
use? Okay, I'm coming, sir. Sorry, I need to take this guy back up. Okay. For other payment, let's see what is there. Other payments, this is your payments, like I have the development levy and project levy. So project levy, when you click on project levy, 20,000 naira. Is this still correct?
We never really do that. So this has been a free week.
Okay. Okay. Now development levy for what we have is 10,000.
Okay. Did all this now consolidate into subscription? You know, when you click on subscription, we just saw 35,000. Meanwhile, this development levy is part of subscription.
Okay, for the new members.
Yes, it's a one-time payment.
But what about for the old member? Because I'm saying old member is still saying 10,000 there.
Yes, it's just one-time payment. We don't pay every year.
Okay, so which means before they came in, they had already paid this fee.
They will pay this, and that's fine now. Then every year is just that 10,000. We don't.
Okay. So at least for us, so should you have other payments? That is how. This is where you now put it.
Okay.
If you go to other payments on the admin, you see add other payments. So it's something that the admin too can add from their end.
Okay. Like
You
when we
get
add
it?
both crews, we can just put it there, both crews.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So yeah, so
Even
people
this-
can pay from there.
Even this AAC levy, this AAC, okay, I see.
Exactly. You get it. So you can just come here and add all of them. Then when you add it, then you can now just do a write-up to the member that
Okay.
log into your profile and pay for your
And we
and
can
pay.
delete it. We can delete it
You
once
can,
we are done,
yes.
right?
Once the levy has been exhausted or you finish with it, you can just come. You can say, I can delete this now.
Okay.
I can delete this now. Since you said there's no project levy,
Yes.
so it's gone.
Okay, thank you.
All right, sir. All right, so that is just a quick recap about the admin. Now I want to go to the website.
Before
proper
you
now.
go, sir, I have
Sorry,
one question.
All right, I'm here.
Yeah. This is a demand notice. So
Yeah.
if we want to send demand notice, do we just go there? And when I type the message and I want to send to, it's a bulk one. I think this is the last one I sent. So I was really trying to, how do I put it? How do I send this thing in bulk now? Like, I don't want to send to only Oyedele. I want to send to all members. Like by January now, we just want to send to all members at once.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So I want to first confirm the one that you sent to MB01008. Did the person receive it?
Yes, I think you received it.
Thank you. Now, so which means you selected send demand notice selected. Let me quickly use that one to also add something soon. So when you put your subject here, you can put as many as possible membership number here. And that's why we separated the sample number as comma. So it must be MB, MB0, MB, and you don't need email. Okay. Then what the system will do is that it should connect with the membership number and send to the email in the membership database of this member that you are putting. So this is sending to selected. Now, should you now want to send to, and also there's something that I also want you to also note here. When just like the way you capture this your details here, you don't need to put there Mr. Oyedele Tunde on it. And you also don't need to put the membership number. Sorry?
If it's for everybody, right? If it's bulk.
Yes. Even if it's for one, you don't need to, because the system will check, since you have put the MB there, what you just need to look at this pointers here, this name, number. Just what you send now, you just say, yeah, put the parentheses. Put the double exactly as we have put here.
Okay.
That's it. By the time the message is going to be sent out, it should put the name of the people automatically.
Okay.
Then the same thing too for number too. If you want to put the membership number, just type number as we have put here.
Okay.
By the time it's going, it will send the membership number on their email. It don't come as number, but you need to be careful of putting exactly what you have put here. If you put comma or bracket, it will not go. So we have mapped the system with this code. This thing we're seeing here. You get it? Yes, because it is a message that is going to more than one person. Now, if you now want to send to all the people, all the members in your database, you now need to click on send demand notice all.
Okay.
When you send all, so you can see the same thing, just put the subject here. This time, put your message, then put name, just put the name tag, put the normal tag, put the amount tag. It will send the demand notice and put the amount in their profile to all of them, to them.
Oh, so we should just say, hey, that is fun. So we just say, put
name.
All this like this.
Yes. Membership number, name, number.
Like I should just write it like this, name.
Yes.
This is not their name, we just name. This is the command.
Exactly.
Name,
Just,
number,
exactly.
and amount.
Yes, an amount. So it should by the time it's getting to their respective email messages, it will change to what is in their profile.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. That's nice. Thank you.
Is that okay, sir?
Yes, that's clear.
All right. So don't forget that
Can
you do all your design on this page. Oh,
Yes.
exactly. It's just like the way we do mail merge in Word.
All right. That's noted. Thank you.
All right, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
so can
madam.
we also generate receipt? Can we also generate receipt?
Yes.
Receipt is the smallest thing, on this platform. Let me quickly go to receipt now. Thank you that you mentioned this now. Let's go to this platform. Payment history. For this payment that Oga did today now, you can see the person, this is the person's profile. If I click here now, this is the receipt. It was Michael generated receipt. So you don't need to be sending receipts to them, or you don't need any manual receipts. This is the receipt. You guys put the name of the person, the amount, the payment method, the date of the payment, and so, and also if the person is telling us that he can't come here, he can't come to the profile to generate receipts, the admin too have the power to generate receipts. This is the receipt from the admin. Then the admin can now send to the person's WhatsApp, paperless. Is it taking, man?
Sorry, can I ask a question? If you pay using the Paystack,
Right.
shouldn't be reasonable that if you use maybe a Paystack asks you to pay with transfers, that as soon as you pay on that Paystack link, that it should automatically generate receipts to confirm that your payment is successful. Then send the receipt to the person's email, or the person that's making the payment can save the receipt, or system can actually send it to the person's nominated email address.
All right, thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. So let me look at this number that I'm trying to open. Okudili Shigogu. I'm going to generate receipts because I can see that we actually pay through Paystack on this platform. I'm seeing Paystack, so you can see Paystack payments. It will show Paystack. Now, if a payment is paid through Paystack, two receipts will be generated for the person. One, a receipt from Paystack, and two, receipt from the portal. Then the third one, a copy of that receipt will also be sitting in the person's dashboard, just like what I showed earlier. Does it answer you, sir?
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. So should I go straight to the business of the day?
Yes.
Any other question? All right, thank you, sir. Thank you, man. Okay, so what I just tried to use that to brush up our mind about the admin interface of the website. Now, that's for the portal. Now, whatever we're doing now is the admin interface for your website, because there are two different platforms. Your website is a general platform where both your members, non-members, stakeholders can access. But that your portal is a secure platform that only your approved member, have access to. So the way we update for website is quite different from the way we update for the portal. So I want us to open the website too from our end if we are using our phone on our system. Now, for those of us that have opened it, you see icon lekkidistrictsociety.org.ng. This is your website. Trying to open the landing page. When you click on it, it opens up this landing page. Now, just like I showed us earlier, you can see on my own screen, look at all of these tools, icon Lekki and district, customize, team option, and the rest. For some of us using our phone to log in or system to log in, you'll be surprised that you will not see all of these things you're seeing at this top. I'm saying this, or you are seeing on this my system, because I have logged on as an admin on this platform. So any visitor that is coming to this website would only be seeing the website. It will be seen from email and phone number and down. But because I have logged on with using the admin interface, so that's why I'm saying this. And what this thing is saying is that for me to see this information at this top here, it is a sign that I am ready to edit content on this platform. So you don't need to go anywhere. Whatever you want to edit are all on this top area here. And when I do this presentation, that's like what I used to tell people here when I do this presentation. If you want to edit anything on this site, man, and on this call, the magic is let the page that you want to edit, let the page be the one that is showing on the platform. Once it is that page that is showing on the platform, then you cannot edit. Now, what am I saying in essence? If I want to edit our ESCO on this platform, if I want to edit ESCO on this platform, I will need to make sure that it is the ESCO page that I'm seeing that is open on this platform. Please, are you getting it? If I want to say that if I want to edit About Us on this platform, I will have to open the About Us. It is from there that I can now edit. If I want to edit About Us on this platform, and I am on the landing page, there's no way I can connect to About Us. So I will have to open the page that I want to edit, then now apply the launch the edit menu to be able to do that. So that's the first thing I want us to get. Now, let's say for example, we updated this content for the district 2 weeks ago or last week or so, where we changed the picture of the new chairman. And you now told us that, no, Nas, what is wrong with you? The picture that you put for my Oga is not the picture that you were supposed to put. Or that I can't look at this society. Maybe you have a new mission that you want to add to your website. So what I would do is first log on to the administrative backend, in which I'm going to share us the login details after this meeting. So you advise us who to create account for, because we can also not create account for everybody. Because for anything that you're going to do on this platform, if you do any mistake on this platform and you save it, that is how everybody in the whole world will see it. And that is why I asked that first question, that who and who would we create account for on this site? And that is by the way. Now, if I want to update this name, which is Icon Lekki, and this, let's for example, you have a new mission. So the first method is make sure the page that you want to edit is the one showing, method 1. Method 2 is on my page, you see edit, you can see Icon Lekki, customize, theme option, edit. So on my page, you see edit with WP page builder. This is the magic. This is a prompt to editing anything on your website. Then when I click on it, it will open up, it will change to the edit mode of this site. And don't forget, I open on the front page. It will change to the edit mode of the front page. So it is trying to gather itself. By the time it opens, then you will now see how you can edit this. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Just like the way we work on our Microsoft Word and Excel, and also the way we update on our Facebook. Then if you want to update, or if you want to push picture on Facebook, on LinkedIn, or your Instagram, is also upload the picture and save. And when you save, automatically whatever you have saved there will show on your page. The same thing too. My internet, why internet don't mess yourself up. So I wanted to open the edit parts of this page. Oh yeah. Oh, so sorry. I think the okay, I think it's coming. I can see the art now. Yeah, do. need to update some things on this website. So sorry, by the time we have opened now, it will not take longer. I think it's because it has been long. We've not been coming here, probably maybe, or maybe it's internet that is disturbing it. Okay, yeah, thanks. Okay, so sorry for that delay. So you can see that I clicked on the edit with WP page builder. Now look at my page now. You can see that my page has changed something. So while I'm flipping through the page, you can see some rows, column. Please, can you see it? I need to be sure that we're on the same page on my screen. Can you see
Yes.
slide?
Yes.
Yes, you
Thank you,
can
ma'am.
see.
So you can see, thank you. If I scroll down, you can see some things too. On your system that you have connected on your system, if you open this page on your system, you can see that all of this, you can see it. Why am I saying it? Because I am already in the edit mode. Now, just like the way we are all used to a system, but if you want to edit our mission, let's say, for example, you have changed your mission. Since I'm in the edit mode, if I place my mouse pointer on anywhere I want to change, I'm going to see a green box that will now have like a pencil. When you see that pencil, it shows that when you click on it, you actually edit that side. If I place my mouse pointer on mission, I'm also going to see a pencil. That pencil shows that I can actually change that. So let's say, for example, let me click on the pencil here. Okay, when you click on the pencil here, it would come down, it will open a box where I can actually edit. You can see mission. Can you see it? I can, maybe you want to say that now this thing is now vision, it's not mission again. Vision 1S, yes. And you want to tell me that this thing now, you want to add best districts. That's your mission. Just as an example, your mission is now added to best districts. When I click on save, and I close, and I update here, it will round it. It will update successfully updated. You can see our sustained vision and best districts has been updated. If you, for those of us that we have opened the Icon Lake district on our page, when you update, when you refresh the page now, you see that it will have changed to vision and best district will have changed on the page. Is it not that simple? Madam, please confirm that it is simple to do.
Yes. Yes, it has updated best districts. So
Exactly.
let's put, now we adopted our slogan, District of Excellence. So let's look for somewhere and put Icon Lake District, the District of Excellence.
What do you call it?
It's a new something now. You are not editing anything, like it's a new addition.
Okay.
No, it's our here. How do you call it? This slogan, we watchword or whatever.
No problem. We are going to see it now. We are
So
going to see now.
let's
But meanwhile, before I go, let me change this one back. Since our mission is still. Let me change this back.
Thank you.
Mission is it mission, Abi?
Double S, yeah.
Double S. And let me change best districts. Yeah. I'll take it back to the way it was. Close. Then I don't want to save now because you want me to add something. So he said our slogan is
I want to put it District of Excellence.
District of Excellence, okay.
It's a new addition anyway. So
thank you. It's a new addition. Okay, nice one. So let's see how we can actually do that now. Now because it's a new addition.
Can we put it in front of the logo here?
This logo?
Yeah, want to put it.
No. It won't.
Our tagline. Is it not our tagline?
Where? Yeah.
No, under this one.
No, it won't say in this logo.
Oh.
Because this logo is an image.
And we don't want to write it under.
Okay, now exactly. So if you want to write it under, there's no problem. I am the one that would have to do that. So it means I will have to design your logo like this. The way I designed this, I'll now put it underneath it.
Yeah,
I'll now upload it.
yeah, District of Excellence, something like that.
District of Excellence,
Yeah,
right?
man, is it okay? I'm just, that's what we agreed. I'm just saying maybe we should just reflect it now.
Yes. Since that's our tagline, District of Excellence. So it's not out of place if you have it there.
Okay. Or I should add it to this one. Or I should add the icon and this society, District of Excellence. Or I should add it under the title.
We sure want it where it is very obvious and catchy. Like
District of Excellence. Let's see if it will flow here. If it doesn't flow, we'll remove it. 1, 2, 3.
Let's capitalize it here.
Yes, if it doesn't flow, we'll remove it. Okay. Does it flow? Hello, sir. It doesn't flow.
I'm with you, sir.
It doesn't flow.
I don't think it's okay like that.
Exactly. So I'm going to remove it now. So I know what to do. So I think the best thing is actually to put it underneath the logo.
Yes.
But if it's under the logo, it will not be that obvious. I hope it's fine like that. Because
No, it's going to have a different font color.
Okay,
Different
I get another.
yeah.
All right, I get another thing that I can also do. You know that this platform is a content management platform. Whatever I want to do, you can tweak. Now, I'm coming back to that now. Look at this where we have this welcome to Akanleki. I can now add District of Excellence there.
Okay.
What about that?
Yes, that'll work.
Yes, I think it will be better.
Exactly. So I will now tell you, let me see.
Can put it in the red font and make it to scroll
Exactly.
it will be like
Exactly. Exactly. So when I'm coming to slider, you see how we can do that now. Yes, sir. Okay, now the same thing that I did for changing mission. No, I told you that you need to open the page I want to edit, and now click on edit with the editor with the page builder. Now let's say you want to replace this chairman's picture to another picture. So what we'll do is just put your mouse on it, then do a pencil again. I can see the picture. So I just click on plus. Upload the file. You can see from your system, just like we upload our Facebook. Go and pick the picture. Then from there, you can actually add it to the image. So it will replace the one that is there. Like Oga name, his name that we have put here is not correct. I click on edit also on here. What I just need to do is to place my mouse pointer on whatever I want to do. So you can see that I can edit this now. And once you are done with this, you save. Scroll down again. All of these things that we type, probably maybe you have other things that you want to, our activities, you have other things that you want to add. Go there again, highlight, click on the pencil. When you click on the pencil, all of these things that we have typed will come up. You can see these are all of these things that we have typed here. Maybe there are some things that you're not doing again. Come on, okay, let's say no, complementing icon. Consider this icon is supposed to be capital letter, right? I just come icon, capital letter. Social, I can make it sentence case. Social responsibility function. You can see that I've changed some things there. I'll just save, then close, update. Whatever you've done, the next thing is to update. You can see now that we've changed that. Coming down also, so just place your mouse pointer and all of these things. You click on the pencil, then they get changed. This is the image for gallery. Should you want to add more pictures to this page? Now I can see that this were the picture during the past chairman. You now have your picture now. Click on the pencil. It's very interesting. Come down, so you can see all of the picture that we added. You can delete them and now start adding the picture. You can see, because there are 4 pictures here. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. And on this page, you see that they are just 4. So start adding them. So that's how you change content on the side. Now let's go to news and events. For news and events, so all of these events are quite old events. I'll click on it also. I think this one requires is it a grid? Okay, this one is not done here. This one also shows us how you can also update this picture outside this place, because this one is actually talking from somewhere. So I want to be sure that I want to get the feedback that the first line of updating or editing content on the site. Please, is there any question before we move to the next one?
Yes. So what you've shown on this addition and removal, can we change the outlay? You know, like can we change the outlay of those pictures if you want to? You know, you simply show us that okay, we can remove. Let's assume that this is the arrangement. Can we decide, okay, we want to use a square, a circle. This picture should be in circle and not, just want to change the outlay or want to change the arrangement. Can we do that? Then on that banner up there too, the phone number there, we don't even know who owns that. We want to change it to our own phone numbers. Can we do that?
Yes. Which banner? Which banner, yeah?
Yes, that call, that phone number up there. I think it's a
this
link.
Call?
Yes, I think it's a link.
Yes, you can do it, sir.
And the email too. We have another email that is Gmail.
Yes.
You'd like to add it.
Yes.
All right, those are the issues. Then
let me answer the first one. When I come here, I click on pencil for the image. Look at the image box size style.
Okay.
Let me say box 2. Let's save. Let's see what will happen. Let's save. Let's see what will happen for box 2. Nothing happened. Okay, let me see. Okay, column size. Let me make it to be 2. I'm actually going to take it back so that we don't deface the platform. Let me save. Okay, so you can see, sir. I think this one even looks more okay. Can you see now that because we make it 4 column. So what I'm saying in essence is that when you click on the pencil, the feature that can be changed for that pencil that you have clicked on is in the box, is in the menu. Just like this now, we have changed it to 2 column. I can say, let me change it to, okay, let me leave it at 2 column. Let me change it to style 2. Let's see what would also change. Probably maybe nothing will change. Okay, nothing changes for that one. So those are the little things that you can actually do on the editing. Just like this now. I click on the pencil for this one, for this Lekki. And this style too. Alignment is it to be aligned to the right, to the left. If I go to the title content, I can, so you can see why join. That's the why join. Lekki and this society, this is it. Prospect, all of these things that we typed here. You can see them here. Then title color type. Let me pick light color, save. Let's see if anything will change. You can see that it has changed up, it has changed. I can't read anything here because we select light color. And for me to, if I actually want this light color to appear here, it means I need to bring down a dark background for it to change. Since I don't have it here, I will have to change the title color to dark color. So I'm just showing us this so that you see the flexibility of a content management platform. So the thing is, after when you have logged in to the admin, click on edit with page builder. By the time it takes you to the edit menu, then you can now be working with the pencil. But there is a caution. There's a caution. If you are not really vast in the design like this, I would advise that you should only change the maybe you want to change from icon, Lekki and district. You should, if you are not really vast, you should not put your hand in creating more structure. If I say more structure, what I mean is that you want to add new thing. In the course of you adding new thing, you may scatter the structure of the platform. You get it? Because the idea is that you want to change content. It's not that you want to add the content. We already have a structure. You are changing the content of the structure that we have given you. Not that you want to add additional structure. If you want to add additional structure, let us know. We can look at it, align the structure the way we know that it is done professionally, then we can now do it for you. But if you want to change content, you can actually change your content by yourself.
Okay.
How would I say it, sir?
Okay, that's what I meant. The structure is what I meant by the how to.
Exactly.
Suppose you want to arrange the structure.
Exactly. Like, if you are very vast in content, in some all of this thing, it is fine. But otherwise, you can be changing the structure for you so that we don't scatter the structure of the platform.
1 minute. So I wanted to send you some pictures like this one that we are looking at now. As big as it is, I want to send you something bigger that you want to replace this for us. That's one. Then subsequently, like the last general meeting we have over, I think I have like 30, over up to 30, maybe like let's say 20 pictures, and then the pictures from our investiture too. So suppose we want to put it here, I want it as a link because we cannot put 30 pictures. And we're not like, okay, want you to when you want to see the pictures, click on this link and it'll take you to the all the pictures. Can we do that?
Okay, you want to add pictures to the platform?
Yes, that it's going to be in form of link. Let's say we just have investiture now. We have like 50 shots, like 50 pictures.
Sure.
And we cannot put everything like front page display. Then want people to say, okay, when you go to the link, you can click on this link and it'll take you to that picture, to the gallery. Can we do that? Let me send you some of the pictures then. Maybe let's see whether
I get you. I get you, sir. You can do it, sir. You can do it, sir. Yeah, okay, now look at what you can quickly do. Well, it still boils down to structure, but it's something that you can do if you have that. But I'll click this plus here. I can just put link. I can find a text box for link. These are all the tools. That's what I said earlier. These are all the tools. Let me find a tool that would actually have. Okay, I can use a text block. Can use a text block. Okay. So just like that your link now, I can just say click to download investiture pictures. And now your picture is already in the Google Drive, or so to say, or somewhere. I just put in something now. So I'll just click OK. And okay, you can see now. So don't forget that by the time I update, because this is a link, the moment anybody comes here and click, it will take them straight to that link, to that bucket where you have all the pictures. Is it taken, sir?
That's taken. Thank you. Please, so the people that the key people, please just take note though, because it's going to be one of your primary functions.
Okay.
Like even the icon anthem and national anthem, want it on this place.
On the website, exactly.
Yeah. So those are
Exactly.
the things I want you
But
guys to.
okay, but if you want it on the website, it will not be on the landing page.
Yes, it's not going to be a link to.
Exactly. You can just create a link and put it in the menu.
That's what I want to do, please.
But okay, so that is for the landing page. Now, before I move out of this landing page, I want to quickly discuss about this very page. This your banner area. This banner area. I want to tell you how you can do this now. They now use that method now to now put your district of excellence. Now, this area you're seeing here, we need to change all of this picture. We've overused them. So if you have beautiful images, well captured, that we can actually, because a website would have, once anybody is coming to your website, it is this thing that makes the website to look very attractive. Now let me give you a snippet of what I'm saying now. Look at this platform that we're just building for ICANN Ogba Ojodu districts. When you see this site now, you see that this site is very catchy because of the landing page, because of the image that you first saw. So where I'm going is for your website, the image on your site should be one that has a very good pixel, a very good resolution, so that sorry, hello sir. Yes sir. No, this is not sir. This is NAS. Okay. All right. No, we are still there. All right. Sorry. Okay, sorry, sir. Okay, so so what I'm saying in essence is that I would need a very catchy picture that we'll put on the landing page, so that it will not change the face of this platform. Let me also take you to another.
Do you have data? I'm sending you about 50-something picture. So yes.
You are sending me?
Yes. So out of this, you can see very good ones. At least the ones from Chairman's.
Don't send it to me, oh. Don't send it to me, sir. Give me the link. Let me pick it from there.
How do I create link on my phone?
On your phone, just push all the picture in your Google Drive or your district Google Drive. In fact, it's important, your district Gmail Google Drive, so that there will be would have it even after when you leave your tenure.
Yes. Hey, okay. Let me see what I can do.
Now look at this picture too, sir. Look at this picture, man and sir. Look at it now. You can see that is this not catchy?
Yes, it is.
You get it? Because of the, in fact, if there is
Yes.
nothing in the website, if there's nothing in the website, seeing a very catchy picture would at least would make you want to look out for the site. You see, they are beautiful pictures. You can see. And let me bust you, man, and start on this platform. Just like the same thing that we are doing on this platform now. We did the same thing for Icon Ibadan. They are the one updating their platform by themselves now.
Yes.
You can see, we
What
are
is
in August.
technical section now with the one we
You
want
can
to
see,
have for
technical
August.
session.
We
You
want
can
to
see
put
that they
all
are
this
updating it as at when due. And the same way we are training you on Zoom, that was what I did for them too. And you can see, in fact, I mean, this is even beautiful. I don't even know that these people have gone far like this. I just check. Can you see that they are updating their website by themselves?
This is an investigation from 3 or 4 weeks ago.
Exactly.
That's for me. Yeah.
Okay. Exactly. That's your past chairman.
Yes.
You get it. So why I took us here is that having a very beautiful picture too. I also, okay, I can see that they made a mistake here now, so I need to call their attention to it. That should not come white. I'm not blaming them, but then it's still a learning curve. So this third picture here, there's a third picture here, so it's not supposed to come white. So I'll help them delete it this night. So that is exactly, so I just say, let me show you one or two websites that if you have beautiful picture, then it would change the face of the site. Now, let's now go back to how can you not change some of this picture here? Like this picture that is flipping here. Instead of me going to edit with page builder, if it is this picture that is flipping, I will click on slider revolution. That is where we change the picture, this picture. That's where we change this picture. So sorry, it might be boring to some people on this platform. And that was why I asked that who are the people that would be doing this update? You get it? So slider revolution. In fact, if we now have people that want to be changing it, I can still devote my time to still come for this training. Now, for this, you can see that image that was on your page. That is the image. If I come here, this is the second image that was showing on your page. And this is the third image that is showing on that page. Now, I said that I want to change some of this into district of excellence, right? Abi? So you can see now, you remember that we have network with us here. I can just say I can Lekki, can just put district of excellence. Excellence, correct? Excellence. I'll say save, but this is too big. This is big. This is big. Okay. Okay, let's see how it will open. Let's see how it will come up first. I'm saving it. Then go to the site. Let me go to the site. Let's see how it will appear. Okay. Let me see how it will appear. I can see district of SNS. I can, if it is on the page, I can drag it down. Where's it? Because I don't want it to be on the page, blocking the face of the people. Can drag it down. Have I saved? I'll come here again, refresh. Let's see how it's now that I've dragged those names now. Let's see. Where is it to? Okay, it has not saved. Why not? Okay, it didn't save. Why not? Sorry. Okay, it's just going down now. Save. Okay, sorry, it just saved now. Okay, you can see now. Does it? It looks. Okay, I'll still drag it up. It's making a little sense. So I just need to drag back up. But we need to change this picture. We need to change this picture. We need to change these pictures.
Okay.
I want to refresh again. Sorry?
I'm still trying to create that drive. When I know
we need to change this picture.
so that you can.
Exactly, so that you can see now. You can see I've changed it now. This is your SNS. Now look at this image here too. Just like what you said, you can see this read more. Just upload one of the picture here. Then we can say, what English can I put it? If I want to say that they should get more of the picture. You get what I'm saying, sir?
Yes.
Where I put read more. Where I put read more here, I can just type what English can I put that I want them to check more pictures, right? Do you get it?
Okay.
Exactly. When I uploaded, this is the first picture. I can just put check more picture. When I click on it, it cannot take me to the link where I have saved all of the pictures.
Okay.
You get it? So that is how you can change. So how can we change this picture? On the website, click on Slider Revolution, the home under the Slider Revolution, then it will now take us to this page. Then you can now change the image. Now, somebody will ask me that if I want to add more image, this is what I used to tell people. If you want to add more image, instead of you going to picking image, or for us now, we have already styled this image you are saying here. What I would just advise you is to click on this copy. When you copy it, you duplicate it. Copying it means you are duplicating. Because you can see that it does not duplicate to 4. So right there, you can now change the image under WordPress library, then select file. I didn't have those pictures now. I will have just put the picture here and you see that it will change. You get it? So that is how to change the now the same idea of the same method of me telling you that if you want to change anything, click on the page. For this now, I will click on edit with Page Builder for this, for me to change some of these things there. Then if it is for your ESCO, our ESCO, should I want to change the picture of some of our ESCO? The same thing, so I'll just click on edit with Page Builder, then I'll be changing the picture one by one for ESCO. So the magic is make sure the page is open. Now let me look at this Shaman's speech. I think this Shaman's speech. This speech should be the this Madam's speech of blessed memory. Now for the people that will be editing this now, maybe this will be their first assignment. For the people that will be editing this now, open this page, now click edit with Page Builder. You already have the Shaman speech in Word, in your Microsoft Word or any document. Just come here and copy and paste. After copy and paste, to replace the speech of the late Shaman, then when it now gets to our picture, remove our picture and replace with the new Shaman's picture and save. That is all. Very easy. By the method of using the Page Builder. So that is how it is for all the interface. Okay, that's open now. So just like what I said earlier, just put when you place your mouse pointer here to change to pencil, click on it. Now let's see all the things that we type here. You can see all the things that we typed for this for the Shaman. So just highlight and copy and paste the speech of the current Shaman and save. Then for this picture here, I can just change this now. I will click on pencil for this image too. Then I will click close this and then click plus, go to media, because I know that there are some pictures of the chairman that we have already uploaded. Go to media. Then I can pick the chairman's picture, set image. Automatically, it will replace with the chairman. I will save changes and close. Automatically, it will replace with the chairman. You can see that it has replaced. Then the next thing you need to do is now to change all of this content to the speech of the current chairman. Then you update. Please, we need to update it because this is not the speech of the current chairman, but I've changed the image, and also this is not his name. So when you are replacing it, at least it will end with the name of the current chairman. So we need to update that. So you can see, just like what I said, just make sure the page is open, then click on edit with the page builder, then it should change to pencil. Then you can now start changing whatever you want to change. So at this point, I want to ask if there's any question.
Okay, sorry. Thank you very much, sir. Before we ask, sorry, before that, PCD, do you have the chairman's speech? Do you have it handy so that we can just put it there immediately and know that that has been done?
Honestly, I'm not sure I have that handy right now, but I'm actually trying to work on this picture of the thing first. But do we have it? Do I have it from the investiture?
From the investiture, yes, it should be from the investiture.
I will check the outlay. I think, but please let me just complete this Google Drive that I want to put
Okay,
on.
that's fine. Okay, PC Janet has a question. It's fine, thank you. PC Janet, please go ahead. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nas. All right, I have a few questions. In regards to the ESCOs, I noticed that what we do is replacing the pictures with the current ESCO. So I don't know if there can be a column for past ESCOs, if it's okay, or we should just continue the way we've doing it. That's one. Then can we link our social media handles to the websites? Then what else? For the birthday, we've not touched that part, like sending birthday messages to members.
Okay.
That's all.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Same for the ESCO. Yes. It's not open. Okay, for the ESCO. For other platform that we have done, we used to have past chairman page. This is our past chairman page, but for this one we don't have. So if you want to bring it up now, it's a lofty idea. What you just need from you is all the pictures of the past chairman from inception to date. Then what we will do from my end is to create another sub menu, call it past chairman. Then we now start adding the picture to it. Same way we have added out those ones. Then if you now want past ESCO, but if we are looking for past ESCO, it means we are going to be having a lot of pictures on the platform. And this one that the tenure is 1 year. I'm afraid it may be too much for the platform, but if you insist, it's something that we can also add to. Then you talk about birthday messages. Yes, birthday messages is sent via the admin of your platform. You can see this is birthday message I'm showing on the screen. And if I'm not mistaken, for your database, let me see your database. For us to initiate this birthday message, I think we have done before. We need to have birthday we need to have date of birth of your members. We need to have email address and phone numbers of your member, because this platform will actually send messages to both their email and SMS. Now, if by virtue of chance, if I should sort, this is your database that I just downloaded from your members dashboard, from your admin. If I should say, if I should highlight how many members do I have that don't have email, you can see it's going down. I have 177 members that don't have email on this platform. So which means we also need to intensify some effort by telling our members to update their record on their platform. Or if you feel that our members would come here, we can just find another means, maybe by designing a Google form. Then the admin can now start adding it for the members, so that's how to capture their details. That is 2. 3, I'm also seeing on this platform that how many of our members actually have date of birth in their, that don't have date of birth in their profile. You can see this, all the members you're seeing there don't have date of birth in their profile. I'm in 369 members that don't have date of birth in their profile. So which means even if we should launch this platform, a lot of our members will not get, because what are we sending? There's nothing to send to them because they don't have date of birth right in their profile. So for us to achieve this, the platform is there, but for it to send, we need tangible member to have this complete information in their profile. Okay, let me see how many of our members actually have date of birth. You can see we have just 33 members that have date of birth. So for us to power this platform, the ESCO would need to be aggressive by employing the members to start updating their profile. If you can do that as an exercise between now and maybe end of September, then we can power the platform to be sending these messages to their respective email address and SMS. Hope you set it, man.
Yes, thank you. Then one more thing. How do we upload upcoming events like technical session, like ICANN conferences and all that?
Upcoming events on the website.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Now look at these news and events. These news and events are the upcoming events. If it's not okay for you, you can change the name. But this is what we tag news and events. This is what we tag upcoming event. And how can we get it? When you go to the info desk under the insights, that is where you have all the events. Then going back to your question, how then do we upload? And it's a good one. By the time we have created the admin interface. Under this place, under this column here, you see post, all posts. By the time you click on all posts, okay, still rolling. Please be cautious. You see ICANN affordable Medicare for member and mandatory. So these 2 items now, you're going to see it right here. It's still rolling. It's still rolling. So I really want to show us how you can upload your events right on your website. Okay, I think it's don't go, come back on. Okay, so you can see ICANN for okay, this is the first one, that Medicare something. It's supposed to open very well. Why is it opening like this? Okay, this is okay. I think it's complete now. Still rolling. Okay, I think it's finished. Okay, it's supposed to open. It's almost not open like this. Okay, so no problem. So this is the first that icon for something Medicare. This is, so if you want to add more, what you need to do when you click on post, click on add post. It open a new post, and you're going to see it now. So whatever you're doing here, new post now. So let's say icon conference, icon AAC. You call it AAC, right? Icon accountant, or what do you call this?
Yes. AAC. Annual account.
Icon AAC. So, but if that's a mistake, I don't join icon. I uploaded icon AAC somewhere.
Annual
Okay.
accountant.
No, I know. I'm looking for the banner. I uploaded this sometimes. Okay, I'll get it. So I'll come here. Now, when I come here, I click on this plus. Interesting. I'll go to the image. I'll go to upload. I think I have AAC. Icon AAC. AAC. Is it AAC that I put or icon? I have the logo. I have it somewhere. Icon. Sorry, okay. Icon conference. Yes. I know I have somewhere in my inner system. So this is so I can now change this very well to look. Icon accountant conference exactly.
Annual accountant conference. Annual accountant conference.
All right, thank you, man. Icon annual accountant with conference. So that's what I've done now. I can just click on publish. Then before I go to publish, where do I want to publish to? Where will I want it to be sitting on? I want it to sit on blog, because blog is where we have the what do I mean by blog? So I don't also convince you. Let me go back to what I opened earlier. Under the, you can see now home blog. You can see that it's under the directory of blog. So whatever you want to post should be under blog. And that was what I clicked on. And what else am I doing there? Nothing again. Then I click on. I can still upload the feature image. Then I click on publish. Then publish. So all of us will see what we are publishing now on the page. Then I come here, come to the front, to the website first. Okay. So what we have done now, you see it now, this is what we have just done. Can see. Then I can come here, click, if you want to read more. I click on it. I click on it, then it's now open up. You can see what we've just done. So you can see what we have just added now. So that's how you add images on your platform. Then don't forget that I went through InfoDesk. I have two there before. I have two there before. You can see now see that you now be having three. So whatever you are adding will now be adding plus one to it. Then if there's any information that you feel that is obsolete, you can delete it. How can you delete? The same thing. Back, I'll call you back. I'm in a presentation. I'll call you back, sir. All right, yeah. So the same thing that I did, where I went to click on post, where you saw all the listen. Let's say for example, I don't know why this maybe it's my screen. Let's say for example, you are tired of this one. You click on it, then you now come to delete. You just click here, move to trash. You know that I've checked the box. Then now click on apply. I don't want to do this. So when you click on apply, automatically it should be deleted from that page. You get it? So whatever you are adding to be added to what you have existing on the page, just like what you have here. So you can now click on it to expand it. Is it taken, madam?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
And the social media handles.
All right. Now for the social media handle, I think we did something that time too. These are your I want this guy to go. Social media handle. This and this look at this share button. I can't seem to click it here. This thing is disturbing me. Maybe you can click from your end. This share button. Can you see it? Can you see the share button on my screen? Hello.
No.
Can you see the share button after the phone number? After the phone number on your screen. Check on your own screen. I'll need to log out for me. Okay, let me log out for me to be able to see it. I need to log out. Okay.
Just to log on to click on it.
Sorry?
You want us to click on that button?
Yeah, I want to log out. Sure. I've logged out, like I said. Let me see. Is there nothing there? So it means that we don't have social media handle for I can let you.
It's not there, yeah. Because we have a TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
And we want to edit this phone number, like I said earlier. We want to change this phone number. I want to add to the email. Hello.
The network has locked him out.
Network has locked him out because you are the host now.
Why am I the host?
And why are we just 4? Even though we are just 4 here. We are 8 before now.
It is almost 10 now. It's almost 10 o'clock.
But wait, did you get everything? Like, yeah, I want to be sure.
I did. I'm getting it. I'm getting it.
Well, he said he will give us the YouTube recording, right?
And
So I
said,
can watch it.
yes, I'm also recording to my what do you call it, to my laptop. But
Mr. Janet,
Ma,
who are on this matter? This
Ma?
thing is not a small thing. It's our
Ma, what did
content.
Okay.
Our content management is not a small thing. No. So who
It's
among
not-
your team is going to work with you?
yeah, he's actually sending it to YouTube as we are talking. And I think this is part of the thing we are supposed to do for our own what they
I
call
know
it.
we talked about that we are going to open a
Yes,
YouTube channel.
I'm looking
I
at
don't know
it
how
and say
far.
the content of this meeting is being sent to YouTube. So he's sending
And
it
that will
to,
be on his own platform. On
Yeah.
whose platform?
and this is the thing we're supposed to do.
Discussing, no. Our discussion will be there too.
But he's going to share only it with us now. That it's not something he's going to post. He's not going to make it a public something. I mean, we'll just send it to the YouTube link with us. He's not going to post it to his general YouTube stuff.
Yeah.
And this is what I say, that the district is supposed to have his own YouTube channel where
I read
You
you.
only see-
Well, I engage you on that. It's one of the things we discussed last week. as one of the things. No, that's one of the action points. We will need to create that, of course, from our Gmail. Gmail
Yeah.
is tied to YouTube. So we
Yeah.
need to create. Are you going to do that for us?
Kidding me more. I don't know. I don't know.
Who has the
Joanna,
login detail for the Gmail?
I know I have login for the Gmail. And Madam Joanna, they do all those ones. Yeah, I know Sabi. How can we bring it back to
See,
now?
she's not the one in charge of social media. Are you just okay, Joanna? Joanna that is doing graphics, that is overwhelmed already.
So immune call. Me that me.
More people need. We cannot overboard. Everybody is working. Everybody is busy. Look at us now, 4 of us. It takes commitment to do what we are doing. It takes commitment.
I've gotten the chairman's acceptance speech. Let me send it to.
Once
Let
he
me,
come up, let him just help us to update it
let me
immediately.
send it to Nat.
Hello, so sorry. Hello, sir. I think
Welcome
Okay.
back, sir.
I had to change my internet. I had my network got disconnected on that initial one.
No wahala
So,
now. See, Organa, before you
all right,
continue,
so
I've shared the link for the
I've seen it.
pictures with you. Then I've shared the chairman's speech too with you, which is in a form, please, so that you
I've
can
seen
help us do the.
I'll do it.
All right,
I'll do
thank
it.
you.
Yes, sir. So, any other question?
Okay,
Yes.
I have one more question. For the gallery, do we have maximum number of pictures we can upload, or
No, I will,
okay, as many pictures as possible,
as possible.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
But it's also
So,
always good not to also load your gallery too much. In the case where you have a lot
and to
of
not
pictures,
drag the website.
in the case where you have a lot of pictures, just like what Oga Oladipo has done now, you put some pictures, then you can now put link that read check for more. Then let them be setting themselves through the other means, because we're also conscious of the size of the website.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
so when we want to update this, sorry, thank you very much, Mr. Nat.
yeah.
When we want to update now, we want it done in a way that one person does not start it and then come live. If we do it in a way that, okay, after editing, another person will have to look at it and approve. Is it possible to do that? So that we can check and be sure that there's no error before it's posted and it come live. Is it possible to achieve that?
It's possible. It's possible, but it means that we're adding bureaucracy to it. So
Okay.
it means we're adding bureaucracy to it. Why not let the person upload? Then he now tell you that I have uploaded. Please check. Then we'll quickly check so that we'll maximize the bureaucratic process. That my thought, yeah. That's my thought, yeah. But if you want it that way, it's possible. We have different. There are different roles. You can see there are different roles of approval. That's what you are seeing on my screen. Editor, administrator, author, subscriber, employer. There are different roles. You get it, man?
I get it, but well, like you said, we're adding bureaucracy to it. But there should be a way that we can check maybe and confirm that yes, we are good to avoid like mistake.
Exactly. When you upload, let the person that is uploading send it that I have uploaded. Check. Then if there's any issue, the person can come back and quickly edit.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, man.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Any other question?
So So
And
for our social media handle, what's going to happen? How do we...
when you create the link, let us have it. Create the link. Let us have it. Then we can upload
Have it
it.
already. Yeah, we can just share with you.
Okay. Okay. Yes, you can share with us. Customize. I'm actually looking at where we hide that thing there.
Then one more thing. From the website, is it possible for somebody to connect to us on WhatsApp?
It's possible.
Yes.
It's possible.
So
As
is that
as at the time we designed this platform, all of these features were not in vogue. But right now, it's possible now. So we can add that for you. So if you want us to add that, you need to give us the phone number to add to the site.
Give you the phone numbers.
phone number? Will it be different from the phone number? We have phone number already.
I think somebody said the phone number that we have there is wrong. Yeah?
Yes, we want to change the phone numbers. That phone number doesn't, we don't even know who owns it. It's not working, but we have direct phone numbers now that is for the district.
Okay.
But that number, this number, does it have WhatsApp? The one for the district?
Yes, we have one that has WhatsApp. Let me look for it. I added it to the group, so do you want us to add only the one that
No. There are two things. We have phone number. If somebody wants to contact us, they can call. There's another number that will be WhatsApp number that somebody can click from the website and send the WhatsApp.
Okay,
and we will now receive it.
Let me call that one out now, the WhatsApp enabled one.
Please send it to my WhatsApp.
Okay, I should share the kind of contact with you, right?
Yes, that is what I will just create the WhatsApp. Then we'll let you know when we've done it.
All right, I'll do that. I'm doing that now. Okay.
In fact, by now we should be looking at upgrading this your website. My chairman. We should be looking at upgrading this. Yes, so because all this what we have here seems outdated, and they are not competing with the current feature that we have in terms of websites. I think we should be looking at we should maybe by the next presidential year we should look at upgrading the platform.
Upgrade it. What's the cost of upgrading it, Organas?
Yeah, so it will be the cost of doing another one.
The cost of doing another one entirely?
Yes, man. It's
upgraded.
It's upgraded.
Organas.
Yes, now
How much are we talking about? Maybe you should.
It's not much now. It's like I'm talking to Lekki District now. Like 1.5 million. 1.5 million will do.
Okay. See, this is what you should do, sir. Speak with PC Gbenga Ayewale. Probably you will do an invoice to the district so that they will deliberate. And you have to do it early, sir.
I'm not saying now. I'm not saying now.
It's a big project, and if we are going to do it next chairmanship year, I want it to go live by 2026.
Yes.
Then we need to allocate. We need to deliberate on the.
Exactly.
stability of that project, and we have to get the buy-in of the members. And should we upgrade it because it's their property? It's not even a
Exactly.
school property. So please, thank God that PC Mary is here and she's hearing it. So you should just speak to PC
Chairman,
Gbenga
am I the chairman?
No, you are not the chairman now. I'm just saying what I'm saying. That you should you should how do I call it? Confirm it.
Witness.
So exactly.
Initiate the discussion.
So initiate discussion with PC Gbenga, who was the chairman when it started. Then if you do an invoice it will bring it to the ESCO, then you do an invoice, then we'll deliberate if we want it. Yeah, because there's need for us to stay up to date, and we don't want the website to be burning as well too. So probably
honestly, Mr. Nan, honestly, I don't have any reservation for the updates. But you know that we are accountants. As much as we want everything working, we want a situation whereby the one we did before, let us even start using. By the time we start using it, we cannot say, still, this thing we are doing is updated though. We need to add this and add this and this. So that will not justify the fact that we are asking for upgrade. That's my thought.
Yes, I agree.
It will make it easy. By the time this one start working, and then we start updating from the content menu. In fact, that's the one we will start doing immediately. From that content menu, we start updating. Have information. We will call for our members to update their date of birth and all that.
Yes.
By the time everybody start receiving their birthday messages.
Yes.
I think we should start that one. Even if we have only 35 people, we will send a message to everybody that we are updating our website. They should give us their details so that we can celebrate them and get other information across to them if there's a need for us to send it. So by the time we start using it, everybody will appreciate and they know the fact that this is helping us, and everybody they will buy the idea, and it won't be difficult at all. But let us even start working and start using it.
No problem. Is that a problem? No, I'm not saying we should do it now. And I'm also not saying that we should do it. This site can still stand for many years. I'm not saying that the site I'm looking at now, looking at the back end of what I'm saying here, there are some things that I'm saying that need to have been upgraded. So I'm not saying it's compulsory that we do it. And I'm also not saying that the platform will go down. It won't go down. But at least for maybe we can just start putting it at the back of my mind that there's need for us to be thinking of upgrading the platform through the current. A lot of things are now new. You should know what I'm saying. A lot of things are now new in the current space of internet and all of these things. And then if somebody is checking the site,
of AI.
Exactly, you get it. All of those things. So that we are doing right now in terms of websites. So I'm not saying that we should do it now. It's just to have it there that we should. Okay, so let me have the phone number. Then we'll update it. Then also your social media handles. So we'll do it tomorrow. Then I'll just send a link to Oga that so you cannot share with everybody on the platform.
I've shared the WhatsApp number with you. The social media link, they will provide it. I will share it with you as well. Okay,
so tomorrow is Sunday. By Monday, you should check the website. So I will have done some editing, fine tuning on the site at least to make it come up. Then at least try and snap whatever you're saying here. By Monday, you check your website now. You see that it will have changed face, some level of lifting. Aside to what we're saying now.
I've shared the speech with you now, and I've shared pictures with you.
Thank you. So all of those things that you shared, I'll work with them.
Oh, I thought you are going to give us something to see right now.
Sir?
I thought you are going to give us one or two demos to see with what I've shared with you right now, especially the pictures. Like all these rooms now, they are just like
This is almost 10. That's why I know that I have a lot of people on the call.
Okay. Oh,
Yes, sir.
all right.
I can see that is interesting. We can still find time to also meet like this another time soon. So thank
So
you
once
very
we agree on who to be created, we also let you know so that we can
exactly.
create our thing. And I'll
Okay.
be doing the social media. Thank you
Okay.
very much, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. You can even see that we used to be 8 or 9 on this platform now. So people have yanked themselves off already because they are tired.
It was the IT jargon that chased them away.
Hey.
No, truly, at a point, it became very boring.
Hey.
So people were like, what are they doing here? After all,
Exactly.
they are not the people that will do it.
Exactly. Thank you very much for staying at this time, and thank you very much for having me.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very
much,
much,
sir.
sir.
So which day and time you want to give us again now? Okay.
Yeah, we can do this time next Saturday.
Next week.
Saturday.
Okay,
Okay,
then
I think
we'll
that's
meet
fine. By
again
then,
then.
we'd
So
have selected who that would be.
Exactly.
all right. Thank you, Mr. Nas. Grateful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much, sir. We
All right, so,
appreciate you, sir. Thank you.
okay. I'll send the YouTube link to you, to your WhatsApp now. All right.
All right.